Hello, my name is Garrett Barmore. I'm the curator of the W.M. Keck Earth Science and Mineral Engineering Museum. And welcome to Mineral Monday. I've got some cool minerals for you today. This week's mineral is Kernite. Kernite is found almost exclusively underneath an ancient dry lake bed outside of Boron, California. Kernite is generally clear, but if stored in a dry environment, it can start to turn white. It is a 3 on the Mohs hardness scale, and one of the cool things about Kernite is it was discovered in 1926. Most newly discovered minerals are very small and have very little commercial value. Kernite is the exception to that. When Kernite was discovered in 1926, it very quickly became the leading borax ore and was a very large deposit in Boron, California. If you would like to see our Kernite specimen, you can find it in case 49 on the first floor of our main gallery. And I'll see you next Mineral Monday.